Alright, got that cross member loose. Thank God I didn't have to take off the back fender. So, hopefully now we'll be able to manipulate her out of the way. I may have to set the camera down to do this. I'm going to see if I can pull it up and see if I can slide it out. Probably not going to see this part. Tight. Let's turn that one over and see. It's on. So intake's really tight. Exhaust really loose. Double check. Triple check. Exhaust went over. Alright, so we're going to adjust the valve. I bet this thing will run really good after that. Go get my thing here. Let's see, where's my valve? Alright, I'm going to adjust these valves. I bought this little tool off eBay. You're doing a double valve, so you got to make sure that you're getting them just about as close as can be. Your exhaust usually is 0.04, intake's usually like 0.03, I believe is what most of these run. So first we'll back off our nut, which we've already done. Then we want to get our adjuster right about there. And notice where your tool is at is always a good reference. These are great because you'll be able to hold this and tighten the other piece. Or excuse me, hold that and tighten the other one. So we're right there on that one, just a hair. Okay. Go with our feeler gauge. Just a hair. Okay. Now that I got that, I'm going to put my tool on there. Make sure you get the right one. You can actually hold this and run your nut close up there. And double check your feeler gauges again. Good there. Good there. Okay. And there's sometimes when I do this process, I do it quite a few times. Okay. About there. You got to be careful because when you tighten up that nut, sometimes it'll grab your adjuster and bring it along with you. So we're still good there. And that one is tight. And that one has gotten tight on me. This tool right here is really cheap off eBay too. quit tightening. And really, you don't want to hear much up and down, but you want side to side. So that's going to be good. We're going to give it just a smidge more. We'll double check. And I can barely hear that. Boy, it was clanging earlier. We're going to do the other side. You're not going to be able to see that. So